Okay guys, so I'm at a hotel now. There she is parked right here, empty. Well guys, let's just say this. So I'm at Best Western Plus and everything, but yeah, so what's ending up happening, guys, I hope you can hear me through the wind, is yeah, my truck is parked there. Freightliner's gonna take us in tomorrow, which will be Monday at 7:30 in the morning. They do have the injector. I'm assuming it's the right part because I gave them the part number for the injector that went out. But let me explain what happened, because I did break down in York, Nebraska. Okay guys, so you are going to watch a first clip. The first clip is, you're gonna watch what happened here. As you can see, after you watch this video, the idle is different, the acceleration is different, the sound of when the turbo spools up right next to it is different. It's just crazy sounds. So guys, how does that happen? Well, quite simply, it was vibrating and everything like that, and that's an injector that went out. Here's some other clips. Do it again. Go back and forth like this, left and right. All right. Hey car enthusiasts and truckers and whoever's watching this channel, I am doing a Christmas giveaway on December 25th of Super Clean cleaning products. You're gonna get prize two. It's one prize, but you're gonna get two things. You're gonna get a Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser spray bottle, and a Super Clean Tough Task Degreaser and Cleaner aerosol can. So here's what I need you to do, guys. I need you to be subscribed to the channel. I also need you guys to watch the video in the link. And the video in the link, I want you guys to type in SUPERCLEAN25. That is SUPERCLEAN25. And good luck. So what ended up happening, I took it to TA shop or petro shop for check and advise. And the guy's like, it's your turbo. And he's like, the thing is moving back and forth. And I'm like, that's not that much play. Why would it be moving back and forth, you know? So it wasn't the turbo. Here's what I did next. In this clip, you'll see. In this clip, guys, you will see, you saw that what I did was I unplugged Every injector has a wiring harness and a sensor going to it with a one wire for each cylinder. So I unplugged each cylinder, and when you unplug it, the idle is going to get super rough if that injector is good. If that injector is bad, when you unplug it, nothing's going to happen whatsoever. That's what I ended up doing, and that's what happened. So we found out it's injector number 3 on cylinder number 3, and I called my boss, man. He's like, unplug it, see if you can drive in 5 cylinders. Well, I did that, but the problem is driving in 5 cylinders wasn't practical, because simply for the fact that I had hard landing power, and I was in D-rate mode, or what seemed to be like D-rate mode. Oh, sorry, I'm crossing the street. But what it seemed like, it was in D-rate mode. So I had hard landing power, hard landing boost, and the truck was still vibrating like crazy. So I told my boss, it's not even safe to limp it back home, because not only that, I also think that you do an engine damage when it comes up to that. So what I ended up doing is I booked for Monday. They had an injector and Freightliner, which is like right behind me, and I'm in the hotel, Best Western Plus there. Basically, I booked it for 7:30 in the morning on Monday, 5-hour labor and everything. It should be covered under warranty, because that engine, even though it's a glider, was built in 2019 as a crate motor. Now, about the side box, as I was driving around the parking lot and around the side streets testing the engine, how it's misfiring or whatnot, I pulled into the petrol parking lot, which is right here, and I heard a drop and some grind noise. I parked the truck, and I was still on the phone talking to some people about my issues with the truck, and the guy comes up, it's like, your box fell off. I come up there, and it's just hanging on there. So you can watch the rest of the video to see exactly what I did there. Hey guys, so to explain it all, what has happened, basically I have broken down. I'm gonna explain what happened in the front, what I was doing there in the video, and I'm gonna explain what I did here. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this box right here fell off. So I'm using 3 straps all together and all, see right here, to hold it. And like, these 3 straps are holding here, and as you can see right over here, there's no sharp objects. That's what I'm looking for, no sharp objects. That's all smooth. This one down here is all smooth. And so I won't be able to open this door, but I'm able to open this door. So what happened, there's a bracket right here. The bolts, the nuts came off the bolts, and the box just completely fell down. That's what happened. So I can't open this because of the straps. So I can only open this door if I release that up there. So basically, whatever load I'm gonna get, I'm gonna have to be careful and actually release that strap first, which is holding this box, but it's more holding that door from opening. These 2 straps are doing most of the work because everything's still attached here. And because that box contained my bungee cords, I had to come up with a different idea that my company doesn't like, but I approve of this for now, is hang them off here like this, because I just simply cannot fit the bungee cords in the box here. So I'm gonna run over here and show you what else and how I did it. Everything's good though, everything's good. So I see, that's how I ran it up here. No sharp objects on any straps whatsoever, like none. This is all smooth. I should have smooth sailing from here on now. So that's the case. I can open up this compartment, but I can't. I'm glad I moved everything here. So now, time to explain what actually happened. Okay guys, so now after watching these clips, what I'm doing now is I'm in the petrol waiting for their for the iron skillet to hand me the to-go order for my lunch and dinner, and it's Sunday. Okay, to top it all off, guys, I have either a bad wire or an injector that's causing all this vibration and all this misfiring and these weird sounds. And also have found an air leak. It only has an air leak when the truck is on, not when it's off. So I'm gonna try to get it fixed as soon as possible. And that's the weird thing. The air leak is only on when the truck is on, not when the truck is off. So it's a little different type of air leak. He can't really hear it if a DOT officer does find it. But I have found the air leak, so now I'm gonna get it back to the shop as soon as possible and get it fixed. I don't think I'm gonna be inspected, but this is how it's weird. And I also, the box broke. The bolts literally just came out, or not the bolts, the nuts came off the bolts, and the bolts came out of the slots and caused the box to fall. I'm glad it didn't happen when I was driving 60 to 70 miles an hour on the highway, and boom, just gone. So now guys, just waiting. Hopefully I'll get it fixed. They'll get it fixed tomorrow. It should be even under warranty, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I really do appreciate your support. Also guys, don't forget to support me on Cash App or Patreon. Send me a little tip, you know, help me buy a Peterbilt, or another way, just support me on Patreon. You can, it's any dollar monthly donation. All my links in the description below. Also, Robinhood, it's in the description below. You get a free share of stock if you sign up through my link. Free. Just sign up Robinhood, start investing now. And not only that, guys, what I also like to mention is that follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I have 2 Instagram pages and I have a TikTok page. And guys, just we'll see what happens in Freightliner tomorrow. So let's continue on with this video. Hopefully it won't be that much longer. Alrighty guys, so I am at the dealership right now, and they are in the truck that I'm driving is in one of these bays. So I'm gonna go get myself some breakfast. But the truck I'm driving is in one of these bays, and they're checking to see if it is really an injector. I hope it is. I took it for a test drive. Now it's really cold. 25 degrees this morning. When I fired up the truck in the morning, it fired up under cold weather like it was nothing, so I was surprised. But yeah, time to go get myself some breakfast, and I'll tell you guys what's been going on. Okay guys, so we got out of the dealership, as you can see here, but what do you call, sorry if my wife hiccups in the video.
In 500 feet,
but we're now going to test
US 81.
Test how the truck accelerates and everything, because the injector was changed. That was the issue. So now I'm driving. The idle is really smooth, and everything is super smooth, like driving wise. So we'll see shortly if that was an issue or not. I mean, I can tell right away that it has gotten fixed.
Turn left
but just to
on
make sure
US
we're going to
81.
accelerate on the highway here in just a little bit. Time to go on here. All right, guys. So time to go see how this truck does on the freeway. Unfortunately, there's a whole bunch of bumps that I absolutely hate. But here we go. All right, as you can hear the turbo spool up, just absolutely no other sound, just beautiful. No vibration. Oh yeah, no vibration. So hold on, we still gotta hit the highway speed here. No vibration. It's accelerating really well.
Continue on I-80.
Really well acceleration so far. I like it.
Yeah, you can't really hear anything anymore.
It fixed the problem, that's for sure. Alright guys, so that was my story of being broken down in York, Nebraska, and so far everything feels so good. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004
Turn right on
this particular package. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.